welcome to Costa Palmas, welcome to the Four Seasons. We are awaiting for a few amazing days in which we are expecting a group of captains to join us for 3 days of a familiarization trip.
So why this educational FAM trip? To get to know the destination. The destination is so important for captains because we need to advise our guests and our owners about what is available. And what is available is this.
I'm very honored to be here now for almost 3 years and to basically see the growth not only of the rest of the development but mostly the marina. The marina has come such a far way.
It's been wonderful. We loved it. Exclusive, a great experience. We're so thankful they invited us.
I have to say that this has been one of the best trips that I could possibly be able to plan for on the land side of being a yacht captain. I can now provide my clients with the expectations that everything is going to be up to their standards.
From the accommodations to the resort, the marina, everything. I've been blown away. Perfection all the way around. This is the field of dreams for yachting. You tell one person and they're going to tell everybody.
It's very hard to recommend something to an owner if you haven't been here in person. It's nice to know exactly what's here and what's to offer for the owners.
You come in and you're shocked by what's here and what's been built here is incredible.
Costa Palmas, I think every client that comes has an opportunity to experience a certain level of exclusivity. So I've been to Albany, I've been to Nassau. As a captain, you see all these things and you say, great, another marina, another resort. This is different.
My name's Ted McCumber and I'm with Fedship, and I can't say enough how cool it is. It is spectacular.
We've seen all the restaurants, all the facilities. We've seen all the development, the beautiful hotels. It has been a dream. It's a wrap. I'm going to play golf or no out. Ciao.